Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCAD today analysis. Right, so let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a bullish breakout. Okay, right. So bullish breakout in weekly charts. Now we have to get back to daily. In daily, as per my sixth sense, I think we will come down till the EMA as the pullback, but anything could happen. We might not get the chance to come back, and we might go up. Okay, so USD CAD, let's get back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we have this engulfing this. Okay, yeah, so in 4 hour, this blue candle has engulfed this previous red candle and broken this previous high too. And in daily chart, if this red is eaten, okay, so if this blue candle eats or engulfs this red candle, then probably we might carry on going up. So as per the price action, the price needs to come down until the EMA reject it and then go up. If that doesn't happen, then I can skip this trade because I have too many opportunities. I can go for Euro USD, GBP USD, I can go for AUD USD, NZD USD. I can go for so many pairs. Okay, so I would prefer the price to come and reject the EMA, then I'll only go long. Otherwise, long can carry on from here on as well. Okay, so if I'm not sure, I'm not gonna go for this because I only trade daily chart. I will go for Euro and GBP, Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, so that's it, I guess. Make your call. I think choose the best pair. Best pairs are Euro USD, GBP USD anyway. Okay, so if you want to trade USD pairs, only go and check out these two. So go and watch videos on these pairs on my channel. Okay, and I also trade these pairs, but I don't have enough time to record videos on all these pairs. And also people thankless. One more reason I don't record videos for all these pairs, because people are thankless. They have so much ego. They can't subscribe. They can't like. So if your ego is too much, mine is bigger than you because I am the creator, not you. So let's come back to daily. I think I told you, skip USD CAD until unless it gives us a clean rejection from the EMA. You can go and trade Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, so coming back to the links below, if you want to automate everything, then check out swing trading on automation and join free Telegram for sure. If you want some premium signals with entry and exit, then join this premium Telegram and then join the brokers as well. Subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.